Welcome to this guide. Today you will learn how to remove your WhatsApp account. If you want to permanently delete your account and delete your data, follow these steps carefully. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smart device and make sure that you are logged in to the account you want to delete. After launching the WhatsApp application on the home page in the upper right corner of the screen, you can see 3 dots that you will click on. Then when a small window opens, scroll down to the Settings option and click on it. By clicking on the Settings option, a new page will open where you will find the Account option in the drop-down menu and then click on it. The application will then open the next page where you will also find the Remove Account option in the drop-down menu and click on it. This is where the magic begins. As you can see, the application will open the following page with several options, but since we want to remove the account, it is enough to scroll down to the Remove from this device's option and click on Remove Account. When a small window appears, you only need to confirm that you want to remove this account by clicking on the Remove option. To make the application safe, it will ask you a question again and explain what will happen if you click on the Remove Account option. If you agree with that, click on that option. Once confirmed, your account, messages, backups, and settings will be permanently deleted. And that's it. You have successfully removed your WhatsApp account. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and follow us for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, share this video, and see you in the next one.